let's talk about shorts. So shorts have become a popular form of video content that has taken social media by storm. From TikTok to Instagram, these platforms have made it easy for users to create and share short and engaging videos. And so now, YouTube has joined the party with their own version of shorts. YouTube Shorts has recently gained traction and is getting crazy numbers as 50 billion views every day. However, as content creator, I'm a bit skeptical about shorts on YouTube being actually a good idea. Don't get me wrong, I have nothing against short form content. While YouTube Shorts can be a fun way to share quick videos, YouTube has always been a platform for long form content, with many creators building their channels around in-depth reviews, tutorials and discussions. So I don't think that it may be a good fit for the platform as a whole. I think that shorts are better suited for platforms like TikTok or Instagram. These platforms have already established themselves as the go-to places for short video content, with many creators finding success by creating vertical videos. In fact, it's clear that shorts are YouTube's attempt to capture the success of these platforms. Additionally, the YouTube's algorithm seems to be heavily favoring shorts at the moment, which could potentially push long-form content to the side. That being said, there is still some potential of shorts on YouTube being a benefit. Shorts are an opportunity for creators to experiment with new formats and styles, and to engage with audience in new way. Additionally, YouTube has stated that shorts are eligible for monetization, which can provide a revenue stream for creators. However, there are also some downsides with shorts on YouTube. Shorts may not be able to provide the same level of value and depth as long-form content. So what do I think about shorts on YouTube? I think that it's a mixed bag. While I'm skeptical of their potential for long-term success, but it seems like it's about to happen. But YouTube is not just another social media platform. YouTube is a platform where you can learn new stuff, almost everything. My hopes are that YouTube doesn't forget what made the YouTube, which is the long-length content. But short-form vertical videos in general, shorter videos are great for capturing attention and driving engagement. They're also a great way to showcase your creativity. In today's world of social media, we have seen a rise in the short-form videos on platforms like TikTok or Instagram. While there is no denying of popularity of these platforms and the value that they bring to content creators, it's important to consider the pros and the cons with short-form content. It's actually really good that platforms like TikTok give so much opportunity for everyone to being creative, no matter what type of content, but to have that easy way to become a content creator. However, there are some downsides that comes with rise of short-form videos. For example, the vertical orientations of shorts can be jarring for viewers. You can lose potentially a lot of content. This can lead to bad viewing experience, which may drive viewers away from your channel. Longer videos gives you more opportunity to be more informative about the stuff you want to tell the viewers. Take my review videos as an example. As someone who creates tech-related content, my goal with longer videos is to give a detailed analysis of the product, and also it allows me to show my creativity. I'm constantly trying to find the right balance between production, engaging and informative videos. So what's the solution? Well, it's all about finding the right balance. We need to ensure that the content that we create is optimized for the viewing experience, regardless of the format, while also keeping up with the rapidly evolving landscape of the industry. As content creators, we need to be adaptable and willing to experiment with different styles and formats. We need to consider our goals when creating content. What are we trying to bring through our videos? Is there deeper meaning in our videos, or do we create videos just because? I believe that there is no right or wrong when it comes to creating content. Shorts has potential to be a game changer in content creating. The success of shorts depends on how creators use the platform. We can't forget long-form content and the real YouTube. However, people these days think it's better to watch hundreds of videos in 5 minutes than give one content creator 5 minutes of their time. I don't think that this type of ideology is actually good for us. At the end of the day, the most important thing is to stay true to yourself and to your brand. So again, right balance is actually what we really need. So thanks for watching this video and consider to subscribe for the future content. If you like this type of video, let me know in comment section. It was good to talk to you, and to the next time. Bye.